Howdy folks, just wanted to do a quick little presentation on kind of discussing the basics of rates of change whenever we're working with athletes. And that what we're going to find is it's rarely just this perfect straight linear relationship that we keep getting better and better and better. That's would be awesome, and that might be something you see a little bit more with an athlete that is completely untrained and when you're first getting to working with them, hence why linear periodization is always a great choice to start off with. Now, what we're going to see is more of a logarithmic relationship, where we're going to see how we're going to go up initially and make a lot of progress, and then it's going to slow, 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 and then eventually plateau. And like anything else, that's why we switch up our emphasis of training. We don't just work on hypertrophy, we don't just work on strength, we don't just work on power. We have to change up because our tissues become less sensitive with time. It becomes much harder and harder to make progress. So it's an advantage to give the body a break on occasion and try different modalities. Now, the last relationship we have, which is the sigmoidal relationship, which kind of graphs a little funky, but just bear with me for a moment. We're going to see where we initially make very little progress, and we make rapid progress, and then we flatline again. And that's how I like to think about most metrics when we're working with athletes as far as making sure that they're conditioned and in shape for their sport. And that what we're going to find is that if they're so weak they can't even stand up out of a chair, well, it turns out they're definitely not going to be able to block in football. They're not going to be able to sprint in any other sport. Now, if they're able to squat 1,000 pounds, they're probably strong enough to play their sport. So now it's a matter of applying that same type of relationship to the other components of the sport, such as are they powerful enough for it? Are they conditioned enough for it? Are they mobile enough for it? And trying to figure out where they're at on those individual curves and where we're going to get the greatest return on investment for increasing the performance. And now you guys got to meet my cat. So, thanks for listening, guys. Have a great day.